Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a stuck center console latch on your Tesla Model 3. First, we start with lubrication. Many times, the sliding tracks on both sides of the console become dry or dirty. This can cause the latch to stick. Open the console as much as you can. Take a silicone lubricant spray or WD-40. Spray a small amount directly into the sliding tracks on both sides. Do not use too much. A small amount is enough. After spraying, move the drawer back and forth several times to help spread the lubricant evenly. If the drawer is still stuck, the mechanism may be slightly misaligned. Press and hold the latch button. While holding the button, gently but firmly push the drawer back into place. If your vehicle has an electronic latch and it still does not work, you can try a 12-volt battery reset. Open the front trunk and locate the 12-volt battery. Carefully disconnect the battery and leave it disconnected for about 10 minutes. This can reset the electronic latch system. After 10 minutes, reconnect the battery and test the console again. If the latch is physically broken, you may need to remove the armrest. Move both front seats forward to give yourself space. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the spring inside the hinge area. While the armrest is closed, use a hammer and a pin to carefully remove the hinge pin. This will allow you to access and replace the damaged latch. Thanks for watching.